Hey everybody, Tom Messner here with Vermont Startup News, where we have stories on a new CEO at Mamava. Rigorous Technologies partners up. Fluency continues to receive accolades. Beta Technologies expands its footprint and more. We start with this. Mamava, the Vermont company that designs and provides lactation pods and spaces for breastfeeding parents, has appointed co-founder Christine Dodson its next Chief Executive Officer. She'll replace Tom Witzke, who's retiring. Dodson, who launched Mamava alongside Chief Experience Officer Sasha Mayer in 2013, has been serving as the Chief Operating Officer, overseeing manufacturing, including customer service, supply chain, and fulfillment. Since the first lactation pod was installed at the Burlington International Airport in 2013, the company has gone on to deliver more than 5,000 pods. Rigorous Technology, the Vermont company that uses automation technology to help manufacturers compete, has partnered with Koenig & Bauer. They'll provide their Bob palletizer for the corrugated and folding carton markets to use in conjunction with Koenig & Bauer's line of folder gluers. Engineered for optimal speed, service life, and flexibility, the Bob robotic palletizer works with all types of boxes, pallets, layer patterns, and stack patterns, with or without an auto packer. Reps from Koenig & Bauer say that with the new palletizer robot, along with their popular folder gluers, the company is confident that customers will see an immediate increase in efficiency, productivity, and ROI. Fluency, the company that specializes in automating and streamlining digital advertising processes for large organizations, recently received some excellent news. For the first time, the company made the 2025 Ad Age Best Places to Work list. Fluency ranked number 4 on the list overall, and number 1 in Vermont, and number 1 ad tech for companies with up to 150 employees. Ad Age Best Places to Work highlights companies that did a standout job despite the economic and creative challenges posed by the ad industry over the past year, including a changing job market, emerging technology, and diversity cutbacks. Overall, scores are based on an analysis of survey responses from employees and questionnaires submitted by employers. Beta Technologies, the company that designs, manufactures, and tests all-electric aircraft, continues to expand. They've entered into an agreement with 47G Utah Aerospace Defense to introduce electric aircraft and establish charging stations in Utah. The plan is to establish a well-functioning statewide transportation system in anticipation of the 2034 Winter Olympic Games. The partnership has garnered support from the Utah Department of Transportation and the Utah Governor's Office of Economic Opportunity. The public-private partnership will help to establish a statewide electric charging network for both aircraft and ground-based vehicles, create pilot training programs, and develop a model to forecast flight operations. And how about this? The Vermont Department of Tourism and Marketing has announced the results of a new study by Tourism Economics that finds tourism is a $4 billion industry in Vermont. That means visitors spent $4 billion on goods and services. Researchers also found that 15.8 million guests came to Vermont in 2023, showing a sustained return to pre-pandemic visitation. According to the report Economic Impact of Visitors in Vermont 2023, visitor spending represents 9.3% of Vermont's gross domestic product, which is significantly higher than the national state average of 3%. It also found the visitor economy supports more than 31,000 jobs, which is 9% of Vermont's workforce. All right, that's Vermont Startup News. If you have startup news you'd like everyone to know about, email us at vermontstartupnews@gmail.com, or you can find me on LinkedIn. Vermont Startup News is a proud partner of Hula in Burlington. We'll see you soon.